Mountain glaciers, though apparently uniform masses of white, also exist in distinct forms. Some develop anew each winter and vanish with the thaw, while others endure for centuries, reshaping the valleys beneath them. To the casual observer, all glacial ice might appear identical, yet its texture quietly records its age. When snow first compacts, air becomes trapped within. As the layers deepen, that air is compressed into fine bubbles that scatter light. In younger ice, these bubbles remain coarse and bright. Over time, under sustained pressure, they shrink and align along subtle planes of strain, an evolution that makes older glacial ice both denser and faintly blue, a shift that earlier naturalists did not entirely clarify. The author includes the final clause primarily to imply that early naturalists misinterpreted the seasonal variation of glacier color. So the final clause, that's this one, imply that early naturalists misinterpreted the seasonal variation of glacial color. Does it say they misinterpreted it? It says they did not entirely clarify. Is not clarifying the same thing as misinterpreting it? No, it's not, because to not clarify something, you could just not answer it. You could just not talk about it at all. A is wrong. B. Place the passage's explanation in contrast to the incomplete observations of prior naturalists. Earlier naturalists did not entirely clarify. Is this an incomplete observation if they did not clarify it? Yes. It is incomplete. B could be the answer. Passage's explanation in contrast. Do they explain it? Yes. Underscore that evolution of glacial ice remains controversial among scientists. Does it talk about controversy? No. Introduce a new theory that contradicts prior geological findings. Does this introduce a new theory? No. Suggests that the discovery of glacial coloration was accidental rather than deliberate. Does it suggest that it was accidental? I don't see anything about accidents. E is wrong. I think that B is the only possible answer.